Section 4 will just be a few odds and ends devices that I felt were important for you to see because they will be very high volume sellers. The first two involved group lockout boxes, where you have a group or team of people performing a lockout procedure that can put their keys and devices in a group lockout box, and each is removed until the last one is removed, and finally the machine is energized. It comes in red and it comes in yellow. There's also a half-size box that'll accommodate 7 locks, which is also very popular. Another device which is very popular is a cable lockout device that multiple purposes. Really, you can use it for pretty much whatever you want. Whatever you can get this cable in through, whether it's a number of valves, a number of locks, a number of switches, you run it all the way through all the devices that you want. Bring it back up through the handle. You pull it tight, squeeze down on the handle, and your lock and tag will go through the handle. So a very popular device because there's so many useful different things. A newer device we just introduced out in the field is a combination device that will actually perform 9 different functions. It will actually involve locking out plugs of various sizes. It will do cylinders of various sizes. One of the most important uses that it's designed for is actually as a forklift lockout device, and it will lock out both electrical and propane type forklift trucks. New in the field and very popular. Switches, the 2 most popular switch devices are for push button mushroom devices, which you will see on every piece of equipment, every machine that you see out in the field. A normal size push button switch, this device simply goes over the push button. The little holding device goes to keep the 2 halves together, and your lock and tag go in the side. This is good for normal push buttons. For oversized push buttons, the taller ones, again, same principle. You go over the taller size device, close it up, put your locking mechanism on. Lock and tag go through the side. And finally, I'm not going to go into all of these. I just did want you to be aware that there are a number of devices that are for different sizes switches that you'll see in a panel. Square boxes, round boxes, boxes with 45-degree openings, but pretty much we can cover whatever switch device that they have in the field.